Imagine a world where the wait for a life-saving organ transplant is a thing of the past. How close are we to this future? Today, the reality is that many patients face agonizing waits due to a stark shortage of available organ donors. Thousands languish on long waiting lists, hoping for a match. Enter the groundbreaking realm of 3D printing in medicine, a beacon of hope. This innovative technology is poised to transform organ transplants by creating tailored, biocompatible organs. This isn't just science fiction, it's the brink of a medical revolution. But how does artificial intelligence intertwine with 3D printing to create complex organs? Let's dive into the fascinating synergy between these two revolutionary technologies. At its core, 3D bioprinting involves layer-by-layer construction to build three-dimensional structures, such as tissues and organs. It starts with a blueprint, which in this case is a detailed digital model of the organ. This is where artificial intelligence steps in. AI enhances the precision of this process by analyzing vast amounts of medical data to create incredibly accurate models. Moreover, AI algorithms play a crucial role in optimizing the printing parameters. They adjust the speed, temperature, and layer thickness based on the specific characteristics of the material used, which could range from living cells to biocompatible polymers. This tailoring ensures that the final product closely mimics the natural properties of the target tissue or organ. Furthermore, AI's predictive capabilities allow it to forecast the viability of the printed tissues, ensuring they can survive and function post-transplant. With AI, 3D printers are not just machines, but artists